Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
Are you a student?
Yes,
What time do you wake up in the morning?
I wake up at 6 o'clock.
What time do you go to school?
I go to school 7 o'clock.
With whom do you go to school?
I go to school with my friends.
What do you do at school?
At school,
With whom do you go to study? With whom do you study?
study with my friends.
Okay. Do you like study?
Yes, I do.
What subject do you like best?
I like English.
11 points have been